In the next few minutes, we will explore the various types of assets to consider for investment in the Stellar ecosystem. In the realm of digital currencies, Stellar has emerged as a prominent player. Known for its fast and low-cost transactions, Stellar has gained popularity among investors seeking to diversify their portfolios. If you're looking to explore the various types of Stellar assets to buy, this video will guide you through some of the options worth considering. 1. The native cryptocurrency of the Stellar network is Stellar Lumens XLM, and an obvious choice for investors. With a strong and supportive community, Stellar Lumens has established itself as a reliable and scalable digital currency. Stellar Lumens also plays a crucial role in the Stellar network by serving as its native token, which means XLM is utilized in every transaction. This makes it one of the highest liquidity in the ecosystem. 2. Anchor tokens are another class of assets within the Stellar ecosystem. These tokens represent real-world assets such as fiat currencies, commodities, or even stocks. Anchor tokens are backed by trustworthy financial institutions, which makes them a relatively stable investment option. By utilizing anchor tokens, users can engage in cross-border transactions with minimal fees and swift settlement times. 3. Stellar's blockchain also supports stablecoins, which are designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve asset like the US dollar or other major currencies. Stablecoins offer a hedge against market volatility, making them an attractive choice for risk-averse investors. Stellar-based stablecoins such as Tether, USDT, and UST Coin, USDC, provide the advantages of swift transactions and low fees while maintaining a stable value, making them suitable for various use cases, including remittances and e-commerce. 4. The Stellar network is increasingly being used for issuing security tokens, representing ownership in real-world assets like real estate, company shares, or investment funds. These security tokens offer fractional ownership and increase liquidity compared to traditional assets. By investing in security tokens on the Stellar network, investors gain exposure to diverse investment opportunities while benefiting from the transparency and efficiency of blockchain technology. 5. With the rise of NFTs in the digital art and collectibles space, Stellar has also entered this realm by offering NFT capabilities on its network. NFTs represent unique digital assets which provide verifiable ownership and provenance. Artists, creators, and collectors can leverage the Stellar blockchain to create, trade, and showcase NFTs. The NFT market has experienced exponential growth, and investing in unique digital art or collectibles on Stellar can be a lucrative option for those with an interest in this burgeoning sector. Stellar offers diverse classes of assets for investors who are looking to explore the potential of this blockchain network. From the native cryptocurrency Stellar Lumens XLM to anchor tokens, stablecoins, security tokens, and NFTs, the ecosystem presents a variety of investment opportunities. However, it is crucial to conduct thorough research, understand the risks associated with each asset, and evaluate your investment goals before committing funds. By staying informed and making educated decisions, investors can navigate the Stellar ecosystem and potentially reap the benefits of this innovative blockchain platform.